Here we are at Barton-on-Sea. It's really windy today. We thought we'd just come down here. Look at this. All the way down there, look. Whoa.
Hello.
Hello. On the grass. I can't even see it. Oops.
Another Mario jump again?
Yeah.
The Mario jump.
Well, that sound of that all rattling like there, it sounds crazy. Don't know if this mic's picking it up. Hopefully, once we get out of the wind a bit more, I can imagine it was a bit noisy up there. So I got the external microphone with the wind muff on it. So it is really busy down here. I don't think I've ever seen it this busy down here. I mean, it's only Barton-on-Sea. It's not like they're not sandy beaches. They're all stony and gravelly and not much space. Yep, you see we're getting lower and lower down. And we think we've parked up there somewhere. Come down. Oops. Right. Yeah. Cool. Mario jumps, okay. Yep, look. Up there. Somewhere out there. Oh. Cricket in there somewhere. Unless there's a rattlesnake. Yeah, we'll have a go. We'll try. We'll see if we can do that. Yeah? Yep, good. Yeah. Right, look at this. It's a bit more sheltered down here, surprisingly. Not like brilliantly. But yeah, you go first. So there we are. There's tide's in by the looks of it. It's quite high up. Let's block this microphone a little bit. See all the white over there. Quite hazy today. Most days you can see it quite a bit clearer. Bournemouth that way.
Busy down there.
Yeah, we go down there, yeah, that's kind of where we usually go. See if we can hopefully get out of this wind and just hoping it's not making too much racket. Oh, I film the people. Oop. I want to slide down there. I'm going to head over where those rocks are.
Yeah.
We came down here once last year and we saw a seal swimming around over down there in that corner. And everyone was filming it and taking photos. Couldn't quite believe what we were seeing. Are we going to do this bit?
Oh yeah. Steep.
Yeah, no more
Oh yeah.
no more or less steep than the other side. Just Phoebe's just got to be careful. Keep hold of your hand. That's quite steep. I'll show you how far we've came down once we get to this bit. So that's where we came from now. We're way down. You think I was at the top showing you what that looked like coming down. There's Karen and Phoebe's. You right now? Yeah? Yeah, it's a bit rough. I don't think we're going to take our shoes and socks off today, Phoebes. That is really rough. The size of them breakers.
Yeah.
Where we're not...
Water on your face.
Yeah, we needed the tide to be out to do the paddling. We're all down there. That spray coming up. Wowzers. Two dogs. Look at that. Crazy. Yeah. Do you want to sit down there? See, we're a bit more sheltered from the wind by the rocks. Yeah, but no.
Yeah, but no, but.
You're not going to get out of it completely. It's really windy. Much more windy than I thought it was going to be today. I know, it's got a hole in there. What? It's pretty cool. Oh. God, right. So I'm just going to switch off for a bit and bring you guys back later after we've just chilled for a bit. Right, there's a scallywag up here. Spot the scallywag. Yeah, let's do some rock climbing. You got to be really careful though, Phoebes. Just do it slowly. Don't try and do anything quickly, because like there's big holes, big dips where you can fall down. Okay. It's really windy. Struth. Yeah. How windy is it, Phoebes? Look at your hair blowing in the wind.
100%.
Yeah. 100%.
The precious cell. Bye bye. Your help now. I'm fighting.
There's the cliffs. Beach huts. Put my sunglasses back on. Problem is I've got polarised sunglasses on, so I can't really see the screen properly. No, Phoebes, come back this way, because there's a big fall down that one. Look, let go of my hand, you'll be better off on your own. Yeah.
Looks like this is really hard to do.
Whoa, see? That's why you got to be careful. You gave me a heart attack then. Just be careful, just go slowly, okay? Slowly. I'll sit back down. Sort of was a little bit sheltered down there, so I'm going to sit back down in the shelter. Some of these waves are absolutely enormous. There's no way you're going to dip your toes in there. That's going to wash the shingle out from under your feet. Getting all the spray in our faces sat here. Hopefully it's not going to wreck the camera. I'll give it a wipe with a damp cloth when I go home. Wreck it with sea salt spray. That's the scallywag. Just so windy. Can't get out of the wind. Like sat behind rocks. It's better than standing up and being out in the open, but we're still getting battered. It was like quite calm inland. We've just been somewhere walking around and it was calm and sunny. Right, we're done. We're just getting battered by wind. It's nice sitting here. That's absolute crazy wind. Yeah, just blowing in your ears. It's like constant racket. So I don't know what this microphone's going to come out like. Well, this way, Phoebes. Right. So start heading back. Right, we gotta go back up there now. Well, those people are gone, so we just pretty much walked from over there. Now we got to tackle the walk up. Right, this is our mission now. It's steeper than it looks.
Mario jumps.
Mario jumps, yeah, whatever it takes. Yeah.
Only 1, 2 that you're holding, Mum.
Right, here we go then.
Mario jumps up.
Mario jumps uphill. Oh, I can feel it already. We've only just started. Yeah, it's weird. It's more sheltered here than it is right down there. Like I was just getting blown away. Just feel like the wind was just decaying me away bit by bit. Oh, someone should sleep well tonight, I think.
Yes, you can.
Yeah. Like I said earlier, we have been somewhere today. We thought we'd just stop by here quickly. I thought, why not get the old Osmo Action 3 out, try out these new Boya microphones. I knew it'd be windy, so this would be a really good test for them. If they turn out to be an awesome bit of kit, I may recommend them. So we'll see when I edit it. Well, we're about 3/4 of the way up now, Phoebes. It's not that much more to go. I don't want to be caught in a landslide here. It's like chert, isn't it? How you call that in the building trade? No idea. It's something I must have heard. Oh, about what the sand, mud, clay and gravel and everything, all the stones in it. Yeah, so that's what we just walked up. We were down there. Sun. What's up? There's the gate.
No, come on, you're walking.
So all of that. Barton on Sea, Fisherman's Walk. Right, let's go. Back at the top now, to where the pub stroke cafe is. Yeah, loads of people. Put you down for a sec. See you in a bit. Right, we've passed those people. Just rude, innit? Just walking past people, pointing the camera right at them as you pass them. I just feel a little bit disrespectful doing that, so I'd rather just put it down. There we go. Isle of Wigged, known as the Isle of Wight. That car park, so it really emptied out since we've turned up. Maybe they know something we don't. Or is it because we turned up? Anyway, I'm not going to show you our car. So, do you want to come and do the outro with me, Phoebes? And say see you later to the guys.
See you later.
See you later. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye now.